Quand tu mets Sylvia K, faut taper Rumba. Parce que ngala muta Rumba.
Madolo system, ya Jean.
Ya nani?
Ngala muta JB. Yeah, voyez bah déjà. OK? Yeah.
Mi amore, mwana mama. Listen.
Tu vois Nakufi nanu teti kanale ba e na pe ya ba sukali na.
Bienvenue, bonsoir, and welcome to La Liste Top 5. We are doing our Valentine's Day special and we are bringing you old school Rumba. Everything that was before 2000 is old school Rumba, and we're going to be talking about that today. Of course, the show is nothing without our amazing panelists on my right hand side. You guys already know we've got some new faces as well, mind you. Some new faces have joined us today. We have no other than the greatest influencer on the team. It is Shani London, also known as Mère Shani de Londres. Oyebika. We also have Bongasika, New Money Rids, who is our YouTuber who has also joined the La Liste team. We also have the vocalist. You guys already know her. She is amazing. She is Caramel Carmen. On our left-hand side, we have R&B sensational artist, Mr. Preston himself. We also have an editor, videographer, photographer, YouTuber, Mademoiselle Shez Christie. How you doing, babes?
I'm good. Hi, Mom.
We also have the musician, Mr. Context, or better known as Mr. Rarity, the rock star. How are you, sir?
I'm alright, thanks. What about you?
I'm fantastic. That is our panelist. We're gonna go straight into it, guys. Old school rumba. But no, baby, rumba is like a bien, is like a kitoko, is like a feeling, a bele. We're gonna go straight into it. Okay, guys, you guys already know how it goes. You have 2 minutes on the clock. We are going to time you. Please deliberate your top 5. Remember, after you guys have deliberated your top 5, we're going to talk about what my top 5 is. And as a collective, we are going to come with a final top 5. Voilà, maison. We want to know, c'est quoi votre top 5? Make sure you are writing it in the comments. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Tolo Bibilité, Tokeka direct. Guys, 2 minutes on the clock. Vas-y.
Alright guys, come on.
Cool.
What's number 5? Okay, 5 and 1. What's 5 and what's 1?
Okay, number 5 is.
Make it a good one, make it a good one.
You can't. It's number 5.
Can be the first one.
Why?
I think
You know what? Yeah, no.
I already told you my number 1 is.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, number 4.
Yeah.
Bon.
Yeah. And number 1, I'm gonna say.
What the hell, man?
Oh. What the hell?
Mi amor, please. Yeah, man, that's a banger, you know. Let me tell you, if you don't put that down, I swear. I'm gonna put mi amor, yeah.
So what's
2? I don't know.
You had your list.
No, it's these two. No, between these two, but I don't know which one.
You put that then?
This one's number 1.
So yeah, that was
That's number 2.
Okay, are you going to defend those 2?
I can defend them.
Yeah? Cool. So I'm going to do 5 and 4. I'm going to do 3. And then you're going to defend 2 and 1.
Yeah.
10 seconds left, guys. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's it, guys. Thank you guys so much. You guys ready? Final 5. I've been listening to you guys' conversations, yeah, as you guys were going along. It seems like Nzamba Lamsibino and you guys got some good lists going on here. It seems like, mais j'espère que everything makes sense. To Banana Nuna, Madame Shez, hey, Preston, Mr. Rarity, let's get going. What's you guys' list?
Alright, cool. So number 5 is Franco Mario.
Okay.
Yeah, just to give context, because you lot were getting on to me last episode.
We love it. Mr. Context there, Abandi. Abandi na ye.
Basically, this song is about a guy who's living under a woman, innit? She pays for all his bills. She does everything for him. She don't rate him basically, and she calls him Mario. Yeah, and it came out in the 80s. Classic. Every parent knows this song. Number 4 is Rédia Missy Prudence. Rédia Missy Prudence, he's talking about like life, innit? Obviously, when he was on the come up, nobody rated his thing. Get me? Now that he's blown, people are trying to hate on him. And then number 3.
Yeah, number 3 was Yajan, Madilu System. Alright, cool. This one, yeah. Moi si. Baboye pa Yajan Nandoto. Ayo kike. Baboye Nandoto bazweli mbanda. Oh, comprendre. So, you know what I like about the old school thing as well, yeah? Not to go off here, but they're singing from the woman's perspective. That's what I love still, yeah? So, like, you're feeling the sauce, fam.
And then number 2.
Wait, before you say number 2, I need to give you a rose. Oh, there you go.
Saint Valentin.
Yeah. I have to keep the mood in it. Yeah. Just now you can go.
Thank you. So number 2, we've got Papa Wemba and Kofi Mi Amor.
Oh, yes.
Mi Amor,
oh, yes.
Okay. And then that one, because if you listen to the lyrics, they're singing, they're serenaded. Kofi comes with the and the Papa Wemba with the harmonized, and then the lyrics. No, guys, wait, hold. They're talking to each other. Do you know what I mean? Elodie, viens dans mes bras. Don't get me mad. You see that one at the party? At the party. Are your parents not dancing? Are your parents not shaking the table? Okay, and then number 1, yeah?
Very poetic.
Number 1, this is the party song.
Number 1, yeah.
This is what you font la piste. DJ goes, DJ, ok, batou, awa, les autres font la piste, mère na frère, mère na sœur, babama, babapa, babana, binonyoso, bokende, boya. Si je savais ça, Madilu System.
Yeah. Tell them why.
If your parents were soirée, lelo, they want to hear this list.
Yeah.
This is the list that they want. They even go home, they be like, soirée, on est ça qui toque.
I love it. I love it.
Old school rumba. Yeah?
Every wedding he plays.
Every wedding. Si je savais ça. No. When the beat drops, ding 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 ding.
The bass.
Ding 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 ding.
I love this. Listen.
You know, wait. No. Guys, you know what it is? Guys, you know what it is, yeah? Sylvia, you know. Let me finish it. You know the wedding videos or the party videos, and you see the couple, they're really close, and they're really they're looking at each other's eyes. Yeah. That's the song.
You don't think man's lotioning?
Don't get me mad.
I'm telling you tonight. Get me.
That's our list.
Lelo, Monique. Bana pota lelo, but me what age, bruv? Because you lot are moving very, very old. On dirait bino moko bota mi na ma parana bino. That's me. Okay, you know what? You guys' list here, my jaw is even hurting. Like na banda na banaki oseka. Like my bun nga sang af pasila. I'm so I've been smiling non-stop. Guys, I have hope in you lot. Mashani, banda ozalaki na winning team, yeah? S'il te plaît, continue ka boy. Continue ka winning team.
Botier mutu a contexte. Moi aussi a contexte. Mubali a contexte. Contexte na contexte.
Olivika, this no, do you know what? This is a new thing parce que normalement, si tout talika est bien, we have to separate them by musicien and by musicien. So today, we separated it. Lo and behold, a new thing has started. But let's just continue because I believe in you lot.
Right, our number 5 is Johnson.
Madilu System, Yajin. That's
Nani? Yajin. So let's about Jin.
Yajin, Yajas. Someone na French, Lingala. It's like a bongo. Mais that song there goes 5 for us.
So we have Feu de l'amour by Jibin Piana. Actually, you take that one because you.
Oh yeah, so yeah, no. I'll happily take that one.
Thank you.
Because ngala mutu ajibe. Yeah? Boye ba deja. Okay? Yeah? But no, I felt like we have.
I bet me check.
Wow.
What's I check? Check.
No, I said for us to put it on the list because I feel like there's Kofi, there's Wera, there's Madilu System, there's everyone, a bit of everyone. You gotta respect him. He's grafted, innit? Don't be disrespectful, innit?
Yeah.
Don't be disrespectful. You gotta respect his thing.
That's to be honest, I'll play that when the food is getting served. I'm not gonna lie to you.
It's not really a big thing.
I am fully.
I'll be
Man, a
honest.
photo.
They have no respect for their own.
No respect.
I'll be
Bet me check.
I'm sorry.
Attends, pardon. Tu sais qu'est-ce que ça
JB,
veut
elle est
dire quand
vraiment
on est en
impolie.
train de jouer des chansons qu'on va servir les gens à servir.
It's
That
not-
means,
it's not- no,
ça
no,
veut
no.
dire que Banzimbo na yo est là.
So what? So when you're going to get your food, you're
Elala.
dancing to the pillar and everything type of.
No, we're talking Rumba.
Yeah, but we said
Rumba.
JB. That's why I
but
said I said I
I'm
put
sorry,
him
but
on
in-
there because
in
I'm
this,
a whole.
In this, subject, this.
You still have to respect the song though. That's your personal preference.
The buffet is open.
Pardon, t'as le baka number 2. Pardon.
Number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3.
I want to take this one. So number 3 is my personal favorite. It's Cher Ami by Mbilia Bell. I really, really love her. She, obviously there's a lot of men on this list and I'm all about my girls, you know what I'm saying?
Girl power.
She actually dated Tabule and I love him. And she held her own, I think, in the industry at the time. And she sang about things that women wouldn't really sing about. And she's just really romantic. She's basically me, so. I mean, yeah. But yeah, that's my number 3.
Number 3.
Number 2, you take this one.
Me and more Papa Wemba and Kofi Olomide. I think that one just sits. You know why it sits second? Because
That's
as you lot said,
I'm glad we all agree on that one. That one's come on.
you get me.
Yeah.
You know. Yeah. So we don't have to say too much about that one. Why is it made better as a man? Was that hard? Oh yeah, but as a mama come call over.
Okay, number 1.
We was writing for this one, so you talk your talk.
No, that's a tune. That's a tune. You can't even cap. Yeah, that's a tune.
Why is it man? Oit na mu, ozongi pe kobina, oyosi su na mu, ozongi pe kobina. You don't know. It's a long song. It's both.
Yeah.
Okay, boy. Okay, boy. So there's a vibe to it. There's a vibe to that song there. That's why for us it's first because it's both sides.
Yeah.
It's a bit of.
Everyone loves it.
Yeah.
Vibe and then there's a bit of
Obina ma serré, hein?
La litoi, no lo ba, la litoi. O ko che ma solo. Ma solo.
Yes.
Peuple congolais, tombe sur ma maboko.
Congolese are very romantic.
Lelonde bosali kitoko penza. This is what you call teamwork. Teamwork, eh. Oh. Nah, I can't even lie. Pona ngai moko l'air Rumba. Quand tu mets Sylvia K, faut taper Rumba. Parce que ngai na muta Rumba. Mama na papa ba kol singaka Rumba na ba Rumba. It is such an amazing genre. Pardon, you guys have made me smile today. I have not smiled the way I've smiled. Listen to you lot's list here. Pardon, merci plus. Bon, they're chicken. Bon, numéro 5. My one is Si je savais, Madilu System. For number 5. Number 4 would be Mario Franco by Franco. Number 3, similar to what Carmen had said, I couldn't miss her out. In a time where she was the only one. Like when I say she was the only one, Mbilia Bell was the only one. Talaba, she put out song after song after song after song. Manzili yeke, Yambanga Kaye, Cher Ami, everything. She was going hard in that time, and she was very, very unique with her voice as well. You just play it, you just know Mbilia Bell is singing. Cool. That one will be Yamanga. Number 3 for by Billy and Bell. Number 2. Mi amore, mwana mama. Listen, that song.
So that we went second with that,
Bro.
Second before it gets to the...
Bro. When he's saying bien dans mes bras, he said na fongoli bizipili. Pona rokota. What? Nah. Oh, yeah.
Tell them about how romantic they are. And the bars in Congolese.
Okay. Do you know with that song, yeah? What I love about that song is one thing that will never ever escape me. Papa Wemba said na funguli bizipili. Like he's opened the zip to his heart. The bizipili. That over his motema afungolingo ayipsi elodi yao kota. In my heart.
And you see the part where Kofi says, "Eh banda kinami so."
Oh! It started when I looked at you. When I first looked at you.
The first glance. It was the first glance. I said this one.
Goosebumping.
Bro, do you know what the maddest thing is? Yeah. One thing I love is you see when you hear the guitar. All you have to do is hear the guitar. And imagine, bino mibali ya Congolais bino nyoso boye baka lindanda ka bino ka lindanda. So when a man as well, he plays that for you on the lindanda, pardon, okoika, tu es tombé amoureux juste comme ça, tu écoutes le lindanda, tinti, yo pe okoika lindanda ngo. Listen, that song vraiment is top 2, but it ain't top 2 if that makes sense. That's
where you going first?
So number one.
Coming with us, man. Come on.
Number 1.
She's a smart girl. She's coming with us. Come on.
I want to know if you guys are even going to finish the lyrics, right? We're going to finish the lyrics again. Na besoin, ya vitamine. Amour, 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 amour. Nini o salinga lelo o. Po nini o privenga a de tout.
Amour. Nini o
Salinga lelo. Nini privenga de tout. Let me tell you, Fouta Jalon, yeah? Fouta Jalon, les mères 1. Fouta Jalon has to go.
I was telling you. But I was telling you, that is vibes and love.
Bro, you see,
vibes and loves.
do you know what the thing is? Yeah, it does switch. With Fouta Jalon, yeah, I was in, I can't lie. If it was up to me, I had to really think about not only what I would like, but what essentially everyone knows as what should be the top 5. If it was up to me, honestly, I would not have put Si Je Savais. I would have exchanged that for Kofi Saint-Verse. Because
Thank you very much.
I am a Kofi person through and through. Na banaki na carte latin. I grew up on Cartel Latin, I grew up on Kofi. Kofi et lundi, ti lelo. Fali a tiki Kofi. Siko aza fali les aigles. That's why everything Cartel Latin, everything Kofi, everything les aigles. But Saint-Verse is an amazing one. So I had to pick between the two and it always be Fouta Jalon. When you see when he goes, amour, Pinza, that's when Pinza will bang at you. Whoever you're dancing with, yeah. He has to grab you close.
As I said, he's vibing first, then he goes into singing, and you're just like, oh.
Too good. It's too good.
Even closer, you bring her in.
You bring her in.
On Rumba, you know.
Bro.
Bars are using the tracks, you could just sit to a Congolese.
Bro. I'm telling you.
While I fit here, okay, so man, table, you be now.
Do you know?
My solo, you say now you do it.
All right, one more. Just one more, yeah. Just because you guys had, I believe both of you guys had it on your list, yeah. Let's see if you guys know it. I'm just gonna read out the lyrics, and again, I want to see if you guys know this, yeah. Are you guys ready?
Yeah, let's go.
All right. Lelo makamu, lobi makamu, na limbi. Lelo bitumba, lobi koswana, na...
They're always crying, man.
They're always... But you know
You know
what?
their songs, they're always in the grass or somewhere like the leaves and the... Yeah, like it was me. Yeah, it's all about nature. Like for them, it was all about nature. It would be somewhere like there's bare people in the back just dancing slow.
They're releasing their food for the world.
Yeah. It was all about
But
nature.
do you know what? Ladies, this is a question for you, yeah? Because you know sometimes with love, we trip up. We all trip up. Have any of you guys dated a Mario?
No.
What's a Mario then?
All right, basically a guy that you look after, you son him.
I just want to say I don't do charity.
I love that. I love that for her. Don't know about Biloko, yeah? Bolingo, Tomboni, top 5 of this team, We don't pay top 5, you're in there. Mais, as a collective, what we saying? What we saying?
Number one has to say number one, man.
Facts. Number 1 and 2.
Number one is not.
Number 1 and 2 is not moving.
Can we just bring up Madilu System si Javier, please?
All right, that's fine. To where?
Yeah, no, I had put him.
Where'd you put him?
I did it on my separate thing. Like,
We put him on number
I
5.
put him on 5 still.
I think it's just that.
No, we can do, as a group, we can do 5.
Ah, 5.
Yeah.
All right.
Sylvia.
Song,
All right, cool. We've agreed that number 1 and number 2 is staying as
number
is.
2 again?
What's number 2?
Papa Wemba and Kofi.
Yeah, mi
Why
amor.
did you say such what?
That's
All right. Okay. All right, no problem. So number 1 is Fota Jalo. Number 2 is Mi Amor. Number 3.
Cher ami, please. Thank you.
And so instead of Yambanga.
That plays at every wedding.
Yambanga.
She's good with her words on that song, though.
She is wicked.
If it goes
But
sense, I fall in love with her.
so, all right, that's.
Love.
All right, cool. All right, cool. Number 3, guys. Are we keeping it as Yambanga or are we changing it to Sherami?
Keep it as your manga still. Yeah, manga.
The majority rules, Carmen. I'm very sorry about that. So number 3 is gonna be Yambanga. Number 4. All right, so you want to change it.
That should be okay. If that's number 4, then you'll have to allow it.
So if that's number 4, that means number 5 is what? Mario. That one, or
What's the 4th?
or are we doing this? Or are we going with? So that was. All right. All right. So.
Your song will make you fall in love.
All right. So are we going to Sherami or Yamanga for number 3? Yamanga for number 3. All right, guys. So we got 1, 2, 3. We need to agree on number 4 and number 5.
We said
Feu de l'amour, number 4, isn't it?
You guys had Feu de l'amour, which is JB, isn't it?
Yeah.
I can't lie, that one Pindana Coco
Yeah,
Gouche,
but I
jamais.
can't back it, Shani. Yeah,
Sorry.
you're right.
Ma Shani de Londres, pardon. Mais na
What
kokite.
did you look at them for?
Number 4.
Okay.
Every wedding, you can't dismiss that.
No problem.
That's the song of the piece.
What's that? What's that? Number 4?
Oh no,
But exactly, that's just the
what's
formula
number
piece.
5 then?
So what's number 5?
Number 5.
What's number 5? Mario?
Mario?
Yeah, Mario.
Mario's number 5?
We're good.
I
know he's sending for us.
Do you know what? I just want to say, for the first time round, essentially, I've basically just changed my list around. I've done really well. So, you know, on a YouTube, vous faites un liste. Parce que cette fois-ci, j'ai fait très bien. You guys, that was amazing. We can officially say that we've got a top 5 for the old school rumba, which is tout qui est avant les 2000. Tout qui est avant 2000. is old school Rumba. Remember, we are in 2022 right now.
Can you repeat the
The list?
Just so I want to know if I'm on the winning team again.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, let's find out.
No problem. Number 5, we have Mario by Franco. Number 4, we have Si Je Savais Ça by Madlou System. Number 3, we have Yabanga by Billy Abel. Number 2, we have Mi Amour by Papa Wemba and Kofi. Number 1, we have Fouta Jalon, Kofi.
How many did you lot get? That was 10. The context people lose.
Do you know what? Evidently, maintenant on sait que si tu viens dans une soirée de rumba avec la liste, c'est sûr, tu vas laisser là avec une femme ou un homme pour la nuit, pour la vie même, vous savez pas. Mais merci encore. Ça, c'est notre liste. Guys, we have done. That is it from us. Did you say l'église?
Restez seulement à l'église, n'aimez pas les hommes.
Kangama kana nzambe nenge Michel bakenda alobaki fo kangama na nzambe kangama kana nzambe that's always number 1 rule fo kangama kana nzambe. Guys, thank you so much.
Number 1.
Thank you guys so much. Ça c'est la liste top 5. We have brought you the top 5 of old school rumba. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Also let us know what is your top 5 parce qu'on veut savoir. C'est quoi votre top 5 the old school rumba? On veut savoir. Let us know in the comments. Thank you so much. I have been your host Sylvia K. These are our amazing panelists. Happy St. Valentine's Day. Enjoy it. Ba gâté bino bien. À la prochaine. Hi, Mom.